Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2020 Acura TLX maintenance light reset. Now we are going to use this button over here, and this button also acts as a scroller and enter. Okay. Now we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and use the scroller to scroll down all the way down to vehicle setting. Enter on it. Now scroll all the way down to maintenance info. Enter on it. Scroll down to reset. Enter on reset. And we're done, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.